Hey everybody, welcome to Useful Programmer. This is my attempt to make a bunch of useful videos about how to program. When I was learning, there was a lot of times where I was confused and I thought that there's got to be an easier way to teach this, and so this channel is all about me trying to do that. In this course, I'm going over the free CodeCamp tutorials first, so everything from HTML to CSS, and then JavaScript, they're in the channel, and I plan to be able to have a single video that kind of goes into greater depth on each of the free CodeCamp curriculum video sections. Finally, I'm going to be doing some other sort of random shoot from the hip things where I come up with some subjects like scope and how to write FizzBuzz and why different programming languages, what I like about different programming languages, say Python versus JavaScript versus Ruby. And so I've got some videos on that. And then there's also a series of videos about how to make a small computer called a Raspberry Pi, and you can program with that. So theoretically, if you're on the bare minimum budget and you've got less than $100 and you're trying to learn how to code, you should be able to do it with Raspbian, with a Raspberry Pi, the Raspbian operating system, and a secondhand mouse and keyboard from a thrift store. And that should be the bare minimum to get started at software engineering. So my goal with this channel is to make it so that people can go from wanting to be good at programming to becoming useful programmers as quickly as possible. So welcome to Useful Programming. Please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the videos. Bye-bye.